Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options. Then we need to select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.